Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at something that's absolutely fantastic. What is this? This is a great option for your work area, for your home office, or just around the house for the kids. It's fun, it's healthy, and it's really, really exciting. So what is this? This comes to us from tobelife, and essentially, you're just getting this lithium-ion battery. It sucks water up, shoots it out, and turns any water jug, like a 5-gallon water jug you see here, into a full drinking fountain. That's right. And you know, you can get these things refilled at the grocery store for next to nothing. And it's absolutely amazing. The strong lithium-ion battery in these bad boys will empty a 5-gallon jug probably about 6 times. Clean drinking water that you can refill at home or you can refill at the store. And it's absolutely amazing. So let me go ahead and open this up in front of you so you can get a real feel for how cool this is. Now, I use mine in my home office. With a lot of us working from home now, it's a fantastic option. But there's so many other ways and places you can put it. It's a really neat option. So let me show you first. This is what it looks like coming out of the box, okay? This is the white one. You just flip up, and press on, creates a suction. It does have a little hose that you connect to the bottom and a little filter portion that you stick on. Hose goes into the water and you've got a great little fountain. Okay, now you can put this on a countertop. You can put it on a display. You can put it next to a restroom. You can put it in a restroom. You know, if you have a camping area that you don't have water, suddenly you've got not only drinking water, but think about this. You go camping, bring a 5-gallon jug, fill it up with water, have this there, and all of a sudden you got water to wash your hands. You're hosting a Halloween event? How cool is this? High pressure, high quality H2O at a press of a button. It's filtered and ready to go. I got my stuff. You can refill the waters at the grocery store. You can refill them at home, wherever you want. It's absolutely fantastic. So this is a standard rechargeable battery, 1200 mAh, USB charging, so it charges just like your phone. And yeah, it's available and ready to go, delivered with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and that A to Z guarantee. So this is one of the most innovative and impressive products that I've seen in a very long time. It's a genius idea. And let's face it, we could all be drinking a little more water. All right, folks, pick yours up today. There you go. Thanks for watching. You won't be disappointed. I think you're gonna love this one.